Hello AI enthusiasts, welcome to a new deep dive. Building on our previous talk about gradient descent, most tutorials show the equations but skip the geometric story. In this video, we want to show something different. The 3D lost landscape your model is literally descending step by step, using advanced tools like RMSProp and Atom. Think of it like a hiker trying to find the bottom of a foggy mountain range. Standard methods often get stuck or wobble aimlessly, but advanced optimizers act like high-tech navigation gear, smoothing out the path and accelerating toward the goal. When we use standard gradient descent in a narrow valley, the updates often bounce back and forth between the walls rather than racing down the center. Imagine pushing a shopping cart with a wobbly wheel. Instead of going straight, you spend all your energy fighting the sideways vibrations. This zigzagging slows down our progress significantly. We need a way to dampen these useless vertical oscillations while maintaining our horizontal speed toward the optimum. Root mean square propagation, or RMSProp, solves this by keeping track of how much the gradient has been changing in each direction. It calculates a moving average of the squared gradients. Think of it like an automatic braking system on a car. When the car starts vibrating wildly up and down, the system detects the high energy and increases the resistance in that direction. By dividing the update by this moving average, RMSProp scales down the aggressive zigzags and levels the playing field for all dimensions. While RMSProp focuses on scaling, another technique called Momentum focuses on direction. Instead of just looking at the current slope, we give the update a physical memory of where it was already going. Think of a heavy bowling ball rolling down a bumpy hill. Because of its mass, it does not get distracted by tiny pebbles or small dips in the road. It uses its accumulated velocity to smooth out the path and crash through small local obstacles toward the true bottom. Adaptive moment estimation, or ATOM, is the gold standard because it combines both of these ideas. It tracks the momentum to keep the direction consistent, and uses the RMSProp scaling to keep the step sizes stable. Think of it like a smart bicycle that not only has a motor to maintain speed, but also an intelligent gear system that adjusts to the terrain in real time. By calculating both the first moment, which is the mean, and the second moment, which is the uncentered variance, Atom navigates complex landscapes with incredible efficiency. One clever trick inside Atom is bias correction. Since our moving averages start at 0, the initial estimates are often too small, making the optimizer sluggish at the very beginning. Think of it like a cold engine warming up. It takes a moment to reach peak performance. To fix this, Atom applies a mathematical correction that boosts the values during the first few steps. This ensures that the model starts learning effectively from the very first update, rather than waiting for the averages to catch up. In the world of machine learning, choosing your optimizer is like picking the right tool from a specialized kit. While standard gradient descent is a simple hammer, RMSProp is a precision scale, and Atom is a fully automated power tool. For most deep learning tasks today, Atom is the default choice because it handles sparse gradients and noisy data with ease. By understanding the intuition behind these adaptive methods, you can better tune your models and reach the bottom of that lost landscape faster than ever before. Subscribe for more deep dives into Atom and RMSProp.